could not be more excited today to do our first delivery in Harbor 171, Torre Norte, the North Tower. We are going up to the 17th floor this morning to start our delivery process. Take a look and follow along. The first step of a crateinteriors white glove install starts with loading the inventory. Our exemplary trucking crew is simply the best in the business. The palletized rows of furnishings are reviewed and ready for loading. It's a long day ahead in almost 100-degree weather for our amazing dream team. As the items are loaded, our install manager marks the outbound freight and updates the project manifest. Beyond each carton, case, or crate is a well-designed furnishings plan heading to its final destination. The packing efficiency on each truck is mind-blowing. Our process is very sequenced, systematized, and skillful. At our destination, we are assigned an offloading bay, and the disembarking process begins. Unpack, assemble, and transport through the lobby, down several hallways, past a busy construction crew, and up to the spectacular 17th floor. Here's where the magic happens. A beautiful 4-bedroom corner unit with wraparound terraces in the sky. Set high above the expansive horizon line of the Bay of Banderas, this soon-to-be marquee rental property is now ready for our white glove install.